So actually, oh man, I want to show you something. We're about to shock the crypto world. And honestly, this is why I love working with our team. We just brought on uh, a, a quant and ML engineer, machine learning engineer. These people were working with us in the, let me pull it, basically over the last 6 months or so. And they've done a great job. Now they've joined the team full time. But what we're trying to do is the holy grail for crypto. Let me see if I can get this picture and pull it up on my screen here. Just give me 1 second. Because when we say we want to help take our customers to the moon, this is what we're talking about. Okay, all right. So this is what we're testing internally. We call it the trends indicator. So can you guys see my screen? Producer, could you pull up my screen? Okay. Just give it a few seconds here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is what we're working on for Token Metrics. This is the trends indicator. And imagine being able to have machine learning models go through the price and find bullish and bearish trend changes, right? So I'm not sure which token this is, but basically the whole point of this is to help you capture the rallies, to go from bullish all the way to bearish, right? So in a way, it's basically when to buy, when to sell, right? So for example, here, right, capturing just from here all the way up here, and then from here all the way up here, then telling you when to sell, even though here, obviously it's not 100% perfect. Right now, this is still in testing, but this is pretty accurate, right? So this is what we're testing. We actually do plan to give a demo of this to our customers in the private group in the next week or two. So stay tuned if you're a customer. But imagine having this for 6,000 tokens, 6,000 cryptocurrencies, where the machine learning is going through and telling you when to buy. Because yes, we know the grades are there, but from feedback with our customers, people want to have something that's a visual indicator that tells you that makes what to do very, very simple, right? So this is what we're working on. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I think this is going to be amazing. Like the work our data science team has been working on is just, I mean, it's the future. It's the future of investing. We're trying to make Token Metrics as good of a product as we can. So stay tuned. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the feedback. But this will be coming soon. I would say time frame for this. I would say definitely before end of the quarter, so before end of March, but hopefully even sooner. Right now, it's kind of ready, but we have basically this is using just one single indicator, but this single indicator is very, very good. But what we want to fully test is getting about 90 different technical analysis indicators, and also adding in our other data points like the performance metrics and the quant grade, and combining everything into one super indicator and put it on a chart like this. So whatever time horizon you're going into, it tells you visually, is it bullish, is it bearish? So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys like this trends indicator? Do you think it's a cool idea? Do you have any feedback? Do we need beta testers still? I mean, so right now our team's just testing this internally, and we plan to demo this. I mean, because we had a call on Thursday with our data science team, and we're just going through like 20 coins, looking at the graphs, and it was doing a very good job. I mean, to a point, we've actually began using this ourselves. Like, it's that good. Like, people are talking to our data science team, trying to have them go through the whole portfolio. It's pretty funny, but it's I think it's great. That already exists. It's called moving averages. Not really, right? Because this is working based off of machine learning, right? So the whole point is this gets better and better. I mean, yes, it's kind of like, in a way, it's like we're getting our grades and turning them into visual indicators to make it easier to understand, right? Moving averages do work, but not because you have to go through an experiment and find out which ones work, right? We're basically taking a bunch of different data points, giving it to the AI and having it figure out which ones work, right? And if it's always back testing to make sure that it has the best ones working, right? So it's kind of like moving averages on steroids. Oh, Matt says Token Metrics is the best investment I've made. That's awesome, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. We call that
We just landed on the moon.
Lambo, and it's getting better and better. Plus, also we've taken feedback from everybody, and the indices will be getting a lot better, a lot better. We just made some new updates to them. Stay tuned. And we'll also be adding a cap on the number of stablecoins available in the indices as well, in addition to launching the low cap index.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.